Oh man, look at how big he is. Oh, this one is very big. Why are you fighting? Good morning, everyone. We're back on the farm, and we have a lot of stuff to do. Everywhere is so dirty. We need to clean this place up. Feed the animals. Yeah, we just want to clean and feed the animals. That's all we're gonna do. What's up? How are you? How you doing? You're hungry, right? She's hungry. And the problem there is that when you get cassava peels, there are some cassava peels that are not worth it at all. See, they are not worth it. Now we end up wasting all this. Johnson, also, what's wrong? I know you guys are hungry. Hey guys, how you doing? I know this place will be clean. So, why are they running? And we have the turkeys here. Ooh, come out. We need to clean that place. What are you doing? Oh boy. Yeah, you can come out too. Oh man. They don't really like it because the cassava peel is not that solid. Why are they now drinking water here? Come here, come here. Okay, this is the biggest. Okay, yeah, that's the biggest. Two stubborn creatures. Don't worry, I'll bring your food for you now. So you can eat it. When you have no choice, you eat. Don't worry. You just have to feed on that. My favorite. How are you? Snack on this first. All right, all right, all right. I got to go. Whoa. Can I pass? Wait. Come here. No. So that's beans shaft. So this is what they get out of beans whenever you plug your beans from the farm. When you want to clean it, this is how you clean it. So you see, this is beans. You need to be careful. Johnson, you see this? That's Maggie this thing. Paper. Go and eat your food. What are you doing here? Go out. Alright, out you go. Oh. So I deliberately put the turkeys here because of the termites. I noticed there are some termites here. Guys, are you done with your food? Oh, don't tell me you finished everything. Okay, still have some here. They are big. What are you eating again? You're not supposed to eat that. Ah, they are trying to cross. That's nice. Ah, they are fighting. She wants to cross. What's going on? She wants to be under. You are hungry. Why are you fighting? Why are you fighting? Enjoy before the big the big one come to meet you. So enjoy. Enjoy yourself, eh? Enjoy yourself at first class. First class service. Remaining the funeral. You haven't given them food though. Your baby is here, don't worry. What are you doing? So you can stop fighting now. You're still fighting. Let's give these people some ruminants. Johnson, come and pour the ruminants here. Where is it? Don't worry. That's enough. Do you have for the rabbit, right? Alright, that's enough. That's enough. You have. Come here, don't run away. No, come on. Don't worry. I have ruminants for you now. You have nothing to be scared of. Alright. You see? You love this, right? Alright. Oh, you can close that place. Lock that place. So later on we'll send the rams, the sheep back in. Come on. Are you going to run away? I'm definitely not allowing you. I'm not allowing you. Come on, go and eat. Johnson, what do you have left? Yeah, go and eat. You go and eat. Bye bye. Don't come here. Go and eat. Not you. Not you. Come on, you filled already. Oh man, look at how big he is. Johnson, look at the size of this goat. Well, why are they fighting? Very smart. Oh, this one is very big. Come here now.